Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best drones of 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a professional creator, these drones offer incredible camera performance, long flight times, and user-friendly features. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Drone with EIS 4K camera for adults. This drone features an advanced 4K EIS camera that delivers clear, stabilized footage. It comes with a controller that has a built-in screen, so you don't need to connect your phone. With a total flight time of up to 70 minutes and a 10-kilometer transmission range, it's designed for both beginners and experienced flyers. The AI tracking and orbit mode make capturing cinematic footage simple. The Follow Me and Auto Return functions add a layer of convenience and safety. It's also lightweight and foldable, coming in under 249 grams, making it easy to carry anywhere. Pros: 4K EIS camera with excellent stabilization, 10-kilometer long-range transmission, lightweight and foldable design, built-in controller screen. This drone offers premium-level features at a reasonable price. It's perfect for anyone who wants great footage without spending a fortune. Number 2. GPS drone with 1080p camera. This GPS drone comes with a 1080p HD camera and a 4.5-inch LCD screen built into the controller. It supports 5 GHz real-time FPV transmission, Follow Me mode, GPS auto return, and can store footage on a 32GB SD card. It's a great option for beginners looking for a simple, stable flying experience. The GPS ensures smooth navigation and easy return to home, while the built-in screen allows real-time monitoring without a phone connection. Pros: built-in LCD controller, GPS auto return function, easy to use for beginners, stable 5 GHz FPV transmission. A dependable entry-level GPS drone that's perfect for first-time pilots who want reliable performance and clear video. Number 3. Bwine F7 GIM Pro Drone. The Bwine F7 GIM Pro is built for serious creators. It features a 6K UHD camera mounted on a 3-axis brushless gimbal for stable, professional quality footage. It supports 4K 30 FPS video recording, 10,000-foot FPV digital transmission, and up to 70 minutes of flight time. This drone performs exceptionally well even in windy conditions. The GPS Smart Control and TOF safety support add to its reliability, while the gimbal ensures ultra-smooth camera movement. Pros: 6K UHD camera with 3-axis stabilization, long flight time up to 70 minutes, 10,000-foot control range, professional-grade build and features. If you want a professional-grade drone for high-quality video production, the Bwine F7 GIM Pro is a top choice in 2025. Number 4. GPS drone with 4K camera and 90-minute flight time. This drone delivers an outstanding 90 minutes of flight time. It features a 4K FPV camera, a brushless motor, and a 5-inch LCD screen for real-time viewing. It also includes auto return, follow me, and circle fly modes. The camera produces sharp images and the long flight time makes it great for extended shooting sessions. It's lightweight, foldable, and easy to operate, ideal for both casual and advanced users. Pros: 90-minute flight time, 4K FPV camera, smart flight modes like circle fly and follow me, built-in controller screen. If you value long battery life and extended recording sessions, this model stands out for endurance and ease of use. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom SE is an ultra-light drone under 249 grams equipped with a 4K EIS camera. It offers up to 62 minutes of total flight time, a 4-kilometer FPV transmission range, and a max speed of 16 meters per second. This drone delivers excellent image stability and smooth flight performance. The brushless motor ensures durability and quiet operation, while auto return keeps flights safe and controlled. Pros: compact and lightweight, 4K EIS camera for smooth footage, 4-kilometer FPV range, long battery life. The Potensic Atom SE offers an excellent balance of portability, image quality, and flight time, making it one of the best travel-friendly drones of 2025. These are the top 5 best drones of 2025. From feature-rich professional models like the Bwine F7 GIM Pro to lightweight options like the Potensic Atom SE, each drone brings a mix of power, stability, and portability. If you're just starting out, the GPS drone with 1080p camera or the EIS model will serve you well. But if you're aiming for professional footage, the Bwine F7 GIM Pro is the clear winner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and tech updates.